Alright guys, we're back in the shop. Gonna do some more covering on the triplane. Trying to get the front end done. We did the turtle deck the other day. Pieces are falling off. And Colton and Cooper are down here playing with me.
Yeah, and Dad making me super cool paper airplane.
Yeah, let's see how it goes. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Cooper, what are you doing?
Thank you for making this for me.
Hey, Coops. Oh, you almost hit Cooper in the head. What kind of plane do you got, Cooper? What kind of plane is that?
Wow. A biplane.
Yeah, we gotta paint that.
Yeah.
We gotta paint it and then hang it up in your room.
Yeah.
Cool. What kind of engine does that have in it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
A prop.
Yeah, what kind of engine?
Probably a flying engine.
You're a goofball. Alright, let's get to work. Alright guys, well, first sheeting side went on well. A little difficult to get it to stick up here on this saturated firewall, so we just threw a little CA on there to kind of seal the covering down, and it'll get painted and everything anyway. But looks pretty good. Getting excited. Fuselage will be done very soon. We'll see you back in a while.